Well, I bet a lot of you are asking how I got pregnant. It's a crazy process and has its ups and downs, but through this whole experience, I've learned a lot about pregnancy. We all know the obvious reason of how humans get pregnant, but it's actually a lot more complex than most people think. I'm not talking about crazy sex positions. Well, it turns out conception happens in the oviduct, and I didn't even know I had one. After 24 hours, cleavage occurs, which is rapid meiotic movement. Kinda looks like SpongeBob when he's budding. So after about a week or so, a cavity develops, and now a blastoise forms. So, turns out the embryo secretes hormones. It secretes a hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin, which acts like LH to maintain the secretion of progesterone and estrogen. This maintains the lining of the uterus. Now pregnancy gets split up into 3 trimesters, all having to do with different things. For the first week, my little bundle of joy gets its nutrients from the endometrium, but the thoroplast, which is the outer layer of the blastoise, grows into the endometrium and forms, dun dun dun, the placenta. The placenta is a cool little thing. It's closely entwined with embryonic and maternal blood vessels for the exchange of nutrients and waste. So this means the egg in the video could be seen as food. So the baby gets the food and then it sends back the waste, which is the eggshell. It can also produce estrogen and progesterone just like the corpus luteum. Organogenesis occurs during this trimester, and my baby's heart could start beating at the 4th week. And by the 8th week, all the major organs are present in rudimentary form. My joy and pride has grown into a fetus. They grow up so fast. My fetus grows to about 30 centimeters and is very active. You can see it kicking. Hi, Bendito. The hormones stabilize and the placenta takes over. The production of progesterone. My baby is just too big. Activity decreases as space is limited. It's over 50 centimeters long and can weigh over 3 to 4 kilograms. The organs are done forming, and my little brainiac's brain continues developing after birth. So now comes the birth, the parturition. It occurs due to contractions. Dilation, expulsion, and the delivery of the placenta is the order it goes in. So now that my baby is born, I, like many other mammals, will be producing milk. This happens because the progesterone levels fall, which stimulates the production of prolactin. Oxytocin is what controls the release of the milk, and my baby gets fed by my very nutritious, very healthy milk. I didn't have twins, but it is possible for a human to have more than one offspring. It could happen from fertilization of 2 eggs or from the splitting of one zygote.